Today we will learn a simple shortcut to understand and master all English tenses quickly.
I'll show easy formulas, timelines, and practice tricks so you can use tenses with confidence.
English has many tenses, but they fall into a few clear patterns. If you group them and learn simple signals, they become easy.
First, think in 3 time boxes: present, past, and future. Each box has simple forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous.
For the present box, simple present for habits, present continuous for actions happening now, present perfect for experience, and present perfect continuous for actions that started in the past and continue.
A quick formula helps. Simple: subject plus base verb. Continuous: subject plus be plus verbing. Perfect: subject plus have plus past participle. Perfect continuous: subject plus have plus been plus verbing.
Use signal words to decide the tense. For example, always, every day, and usually go with simple present. Now, at the moment and today, point to present continuous.
For present perfect, listen for words like already, yet, ever, never, since, and for. They show connection to the present. For present perfect continuous, look for how long questions and expressions like for 2 hours.
Repeat the same pattern for the past. Simple past for finished actions, past continuous for actions in progress at a time, past perfect for actions before another past action, and past perfect continuous for duration before a past moment.
The formulas are the same but with past forms. Simple past, subject plus past verb. Past continuous subject plus was, were plus verbing. Past perfect subject plus had plus past participle. Past perfect continuous subject plus had plus been plus verbing.
Signal words for past include yesterday, ago, last week, and in 2010 for simple past. While and when often appear with past continuous. Before, after, by the time signal past perfect.
For the future box, use will or going to for simple future. Future continuous uses will be plus verbing. Future perfect uses will have plus past participle. Future perfect continuous uses will have been plus verbing.
Signal words for future are tomorrow, next week, soon, and in the future. If you plan something, use going to. For sudden decisions or promises, use will.
A helpful shortcut is the timeline sketch. Draw a simple line, mark now and future, and place actions with arrows or dots. Visual learners find tenses far easier with this map.
Another shortcut. Learn 8 core sentence patterns. 1 for each main tense. Practice them with your name and daily activities. Personal examples stick in memory.
Practice with mini dialogues. Ask a question using one tense and answer with another. This trains recognition and production together, so your brain learns when to switch forms.
Use time expressions as keys. If you hear since 2015 or for 3 hours, your brain should immediately check for perfect or perfect continuous forms.
Also, memorize irregular past participles for common verbs. A short list of 30 verbs covers most daily needs. Be, have, do, go, see, take, come, make, and so on.
Don't overlearn rules. Start with meaning and use. Ask yourself, when did the action happen? Is it finished? Is it repeated? Is it planned? The answers point to the tense.
Use substitution drills. Take one sentence and change the time word, then change the verb form accordingly. For example, I eat breakfast becomes I ate breakfast, or I will eat breakfast.
Another tip, focus on verbs that show time clearly: arrive, start, finish, live, study. Pair them with signal words to create strong mental associations.
Record yourself speaking short stories in different tenses. Listening back helps you notice mistakes and patterns, and recording is a low-pressure way to practice.
If you make mistakes, correct them quickly but kindly. Repetition is key. Short, daily practice beats long, rare study sessions for retaining tense forms.
Use timelines to explain mixed tenses. For example, I had finished when she arrived. Draw two past points and show which action happened first.
Group tenses by function: narrative, past, habitual, simple, ongoing, continuous, completed connection, perfect. Grouping by use reduces the number of rules to memorize.
Make cheat sheets with formulas and signal words. Keep them by your desk and glance at them before speaking or writing. Over time, you will stop needing them.
Practice reading short paragraphs and underline time markers. Then rewrite a paragraph in a different tense. This builds flexibility and understanding.
Teach someone else. Explaining tenses aloud exposes gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you know. Teaching speeds up learning dramatically.
Use questions to test tense choice. When did this happen? Is it still happening? How long has it been happening? Answering these guides your tense use.
Finally, be patient. Tenses feel hard at first because English uses many forms. With these shortcuts, timelines, signal words, formulas, and practice, you can grasp them quickly.
In this video, we learned a compact shortcut. Group tenses into 3 time boxes, use simple formulas, and rely on signal words and timelines.
We learned practical practice methods, 8 core patterns, substitution drills, mini dialogues, and recording yourself to build confidence.
To make things concrete, practice 1 tense a day with 5 example sentences. Write, say, and record them. Then change time words and watch how verbs change. Repeat until the forms feel natural. Use short daily goals. Celebrate wins to keep motivated.
Remember that context decides form more than rules. Focus on meaning first, then on grammar. When reading or listening, mark time indicators and pause to name the tense. Over time, this quick check becomes automatic, and you will choose correct tenses faster when speaking and writing.
Keep a small notebook for tense examples and review it weekly to track progress and reward small improvements and celebrate wins.